Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, there is another airdrop now currently going on X. This one is Portalcoin. So they have a criteria. So they said Portal airdrop farming is live. They made this post 3 hours ago. They said only at crystal-.co. So crystal dash is a portal, unique social experience. Engage with us on Twitter and any portal. And yes, engaging with this trend does count. Here is everything you need to know about playing Crystal Dash. So we're actually going to click on that link. So they see that early Crystal Dash points by creating Twitter content about Portal. The more viral, the more points. You can also earn by engaging with our content directory. Points make you rise up level. Do you understand? So they go to Crystal Dash. Let's go and connect your Twitter account. You use multiple Twitter accounts or change accounts. Once you have signed up, all your shares will be attached to the Twitter account you sign up with. So they say that it's very simple. Original tweet mentioning at Portalcoin endpoint. The more engagement they get, the more points. So there was this very one. They said that they said to play your account must be older. Our account must be older than 3 months. So if your account is not more than 3 months, so there's no need of trying. So because you will not like your points will not be counting. So you need your X account to be more than 3 months old, and then you need to have more than 100 followers. Accounts with more followers and tweets also receive a point boost. So let's just get straight to the point. Let me just click on Crystal Dash. So it's actually loading. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we'll talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So for my returning subscribers, thanks for stopping by. So here is it. We need to sign in. This is step 1. Sign up. Simply connect your Twitter to get playing. Create an earn portal from your Twitter content. Claim portal reward. Every level you progress to win. So click on sign in. So here is it. Sign in with X with Twitter. You can actually see that. Do you see that? So by connecting your Twitter, you agree to our terms and conditions. So I'm going to log in with my Twitter account now. So as usual, if you have been farming, you know how to connect your account. So guys, if you missed tip, you missed ratio, and you missed streak epoch 1, so don't miss this very one now. So once you connect your Twitter account, you see share to start playing. Share the post below on Twitter to start farming Portal Crystal. So I'm going to click on share now. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, I'll be leaving the link on this video description, and I'll also be leaving this link on this video description. You understand? So there is no referral. So click on the link, join my Telegram channel. Understand? So here is the post. They say Portal is the cross-chain gaming coin from Portalcoin built to bring Web3 gaming to the mainstream. Their pre-sale is actually going on, guys. So I don't know. So I'm going to go back now. Here is this. This is 0 points. This is in begin 4 hours ago. So if I make a post now, I'm actually going to be seeing it here. You understand? So this is 6 days in the season. Data refreshes every 8 hours. So here's the leaderboard very soon. So guys, we are actually early. You understand? So that'll be all for now. If there is any other thing, guys, I'm actually going to let you guys know. And for now, let's farm. Socialfi is here to stay, guys. I'm actually going to click this and add it to my home page. You understand? Crystal dashboard, yes, Portalcoin. Add it to my home screen. So guys, if there is any other thing like, I'm actually going to let you guys know. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.